Welcome to the only course on internet where we are going to develop software as a service mobile app. Yes guys, you have heard it right. In this mega course, we are going to develop SaaS but for mobile applications. This is the course that gives you an overview that how software as a service could be fit in mobile apps. After completion of the course, if you are having any software as a service ideas in your mind, you can develop them with ease. So you know that software as a service is just booming right now, and we are going to cache it and we are going to use that on our course. Guys, in this course I am going to explain that how we can work with artificial intelligence and how we can provide service for our customers. So this is an AI application, guys, that charges money from our customers but for the app. So as we know all of you that there are so many apps on world based on the artificial intelligence, right? It could be Remini, it could be any photo editing AI software like that. But in this course, I am going to explain that how can you develop that software as a service application here. And here in this course as well, we are going to work with artificial intelligence. We are going to cache this software as a service demand here from our users around the world. So how you can earn the money, that's the main thing here. So after completion of this course, you are going to know that how we can accept payments from our customers using Stripe here. Stripe is well known for international payments, right? Not only that, here is the magic thing here. So in the updates of this course as well, I am going to teach you how you can show ads to your free customers. That's the main thing here. So let me give you a brief here. So you are going to show ads only to your free users and not for the pro users. So because pro users are actually given money to use this service here, right? That's the typical software as a service app that would do in this world, guys. So you can take for example Remini or any application like that. They are showing ads to their free users and they are actually earning the money. That's the main important thing. By showing the ads how you can earn the money, I am going to show you in this course in the updates as well. So in this course I am going to tell you that how you can show ads and earn the money not only from your free users and as well as how you can accept payments from your paid users, so that you are going to get money from both sides, right? So yes guys, this is the opportunity. We need to take this opportunity here. So software as a service is everywhere in this world and we need to cache that. So if you go to any website like any software as a service website, they are not going to show you ads to their free users, but coming for the apps here that lives in your phone, they are earning the income not only for their paid users as well as the free users as well. That's the main thing here. Okay, and artificial intelligence is everywhere and software as a service apps are everywhere. All you need to have is how the software as a service app would work coming to the mobile applications. So you have seen multiple tutorials searching for about software as a service websites. There are so many YouTube videos about how you can develop software as a service but for the only web applications. So there is no course on this internet present teaching you how you can implement software as a service for mobile applications. So that's why I am here to do how you can build software as a service mobile application so that you can earn the income not only from your paid users but also your free users by popping them the ads. That's the very typical software as a service mobile app would do. And after completion of this course, you are going to get a very clear understanding that how you can implement your idea, your software as a service idea into your app here. In this course, each and every topic was covered about software as a service. So this is why you need to take the course. This course will be updated again and again based on your recommendations. So that's why I am selling this course, guys. I am selling this course on Udemy platform. All you need to do is in the description, I am going to provide you the link for my Udemy course with having 30 days of money back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied, I am going to give you assure that you are going to get 30-day money back guarantee after enrolling to this course, guys. So not only that, I will update this course again and again based on your recommendations, guys. I have put a lot of efforts for this to actually tell you how the software as a service mobile app would works. So you are going to get this course in discount here, guys. It was validated only for 30 days. I am going to keep this course in a best price suitable for you, in keeping in mind that in affordable price. So just click on the link which was given in the below. After landing on that page, make sure to see the demo on that page as well. So yes, guys, thank you so much.